Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the PIR, Bioinformatics Tools, PIR and the MIPS. The accelerating pace of the genome sequence project have greatly increased the volume and the complexly available molecular data. To realize the fullest possible value from the data to the gain to better understanding of the genome and the databases, the computational tool for the analyzing them to require to allow biological relevant features in the sequences to be identified and the provide insight on their structure and the function. For over 13 years, the protein information resources, which is called PIR, has been provided the scientific community with the databases of the tools for the organization and the analysis of protein sequences data. Together with the MIPS and the JIPID, we are major restricted to meet the challenges presented by the rapid growth and the nearly universal access to scientists resource available on the www. Among the key development in the protein family organization for the PIR international protein sequences and the user-friendly sequence analysis, data searching, and the information retrieval. PIR, MIPS, and JIPID constitute the PIR International Consortium. The maintain the PIR International Protein Sequence Databases, the largest publicly distributed and freely available protein sequences databases. The databases have following distinct features. It has the comprehensive annotated and the non-readable protein sequence. The databases containing over 1,42,000 sequences as of September 1999, including are the sequence for the completely sequenced genome from the 16 prokaryotes, 6 archaebacteria, 17 viruses, and the phases, eukaryotic organelles, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The collection well organized within the more than 99% entries classified by the protein families and the PIR annotation included co-current cross-reference to the other sequence like entrance, Madeline, PDB, GDB, flybase, MIPS, yeast, SGD yeast, MIPS, Arabidopsis, and the trigger, where the databases are publicly and freely available. The PIR is the only sequence database to provide consist cross-reference between its own database's entire entries that the cross-reference searches in the exploring relationships such as a subunit association in the molecular complexes and the enzyme substrate interactions, activation and the regulations cascade and the well browsing entries with the shared feature and a notion. In addition of the PIR, the across the other sequences are the auxiliary databases briefly described and the maintain several internal data collection. So you can collect the data from the PIR sequence which is freely available. Thank you.